The Tata Harrier EV has been creating waves all over social media with its capability, and now the electric SUV has scored 5 stars in Bharat NCAP crash test ratings. That's right, 5 stars yet again with a brand new Tata product. It's becoming a habit with Tata Motors, right? In adult occupant protection, Tata Harrier EV scored 32 out of 32 points, and for child occupant protection, the electric SUV scored 45 out of a possible 49 points. In the frontal offset deformable barrier test, the Harrier EV scored 16 points out of 16. The SUV offered good protection for the front passenger and the driver. In the side movable deformable barrier test, the Harrier EV scored 16 points out of 16. BNCAP noted good protection for the head, stomach and the pelvic regions along with chest protection. In the side impact pole test, the Harrier EV received an OK rating. The Harrier EV also comes with a bunch of safety features like 7 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, rollover protection, hill hold control, 3-point seat belts with reminders for all seats and ISOFIX child seat mounts, level 2 ADAS and a 540-degree camera among others. Now Tata Motors announced the prices of the rear-wheel drive variants of the Harrier EV, and the prices are on your screen right now. The prices for the all-wheel drive or the quad drive as Tata calls it will be revealed on 27th of June. Bookings begin on 2nd of July and deliveries should begin within a month of the booking starting. But the point to be noted is that the price of the Tata Harrier EV does not include the cost of charger and the installation. What are your thoughts on the Tata Harrier EV? And if you want to see a comprehensive review of how the electric SUV performs off-road and on the racetrack as well, log on to NDTV Auto's YouTube channel where you'll find a detailed review, right? So, what are your thoughts? Do let us know in the comments below. Till then, take care, drive safe, and I'll see you soon in the next video from NDTV Auto.